Forget fake it till you make it. Do this to your body instead, because it's proven by Harvard to boost your confidence. Welcome back, Crown Buns. Here we will a strategy as our secret weapon and turn self-improvement into quiet revolution and forge divine feminine woman who ruled from her glow. First lesson, you were born crown. The world simply forgot about it. Now, let's remind them again. Today we're going to talk about power pose. Boost your confidence, and it's proven by Harvard. The power pose is a simple but scientifically backed technique to boost confidence quickly, just by changing your body language. It's based on Amy Cootie's famous TED Talk and Harvard study in 2010 on how postures affects hormones and mindset. So, what is power pose? It's a high power, expansive posture, like Wonder Woman or Superman, which tricks your brain into feeling more confident by altering hormone levels, which is increasing testosterone and decreasing cortisol. So the Amy Cootie's Harvard research in 2010 showed holding high poses for 2 minutes will increase testosterone by 20%, which is linked to confidence and assertiveness, and decrease cortisol by 25%, which is linked to stress reduction, and improve feelings of power and risk tolerance. The Harvard study by Amy Cootie was in 2010. So the current view has a little bit difference with what Amy Cootie initially said. So I have to mention that as well. Some replications showed mixed results for hormonal changes. But the psychological effect, which is feeling more confident, is widely supported. Your posture, right? Your posture affects your mind and your behavior instantly. So, how does it work? Based on science. Number 1, body-brain feedback loop. Your brain monitors your body language. Expansive posture signals dominance and confidence, which triggering a biochemical response. And a slouched posture signals a stress and submissiveness. Number 2, hormonal changes, which higher testosterone make you more confident. Just 2 minutes of power posing a day can create the shift. Number 3, psychological effect. So after the power pose, you feel more powerful, so you act more confidently. Also, based on my researches, I noticed Rock, Gal Gadot, I love Gal Gadot, and Beyonce, Chris Hemsworth, and even Victoria's Secret models doing this trick. So how to make the power pose? Number 1, which is the Superman and Wonder Woman pose, which is the most popular. Number 2, victory pose. And number 3, which is the CEO leg, which is stand tall, hands on your hips, chest open and lifted, shoulders back and relaxed, head held high, chin parallel to the ground, and breathe deeply and hold your posture for 2 minutes. Number 2, which is the victory pose, stand or sit tall, rise your arms in a wide V shape above your head like you just won a race. Spread your fingers to open up the energy, look slightly upward and smile, and hold your posture for 2 minutes. Number 3, CEO lean. Lean back in a chair, hands behind your head, feet on the desk for casual dominance. But the point is, you cannot do it in front of other people. For example, if you are in an important meeting, you shouldn't put your hand behind your head and make a CEO lean, because that doesn't look good. So what you can do before an important meeting or before a photo shoot or job interview, you can find a private location. For example, go to the bathroom for 2 minutes and try the power pose, so you will not be stressed for the meeting or anything that you plan to do. Also, based on the studies, the timing is really important. So you have to make sure that you keep that 2 minutes of power pose. And you can try it for whenever you need a little confidence boost. And you can try to add your power pose with positive self-talk. Like, I got this. I can get this job. It's gonna be easy. Before I finish up this video, try it next time you need a confidence boost and you will be amazed at the difference. Many do this unconsciously. Now that you know the secret, use it to walk in any room with unshakable confidence. Thank you so much for watching, Calm Ones. Till next time. Bye bye.